So here we need to solve this proportion or an equation. So one way of doing that is cross multiplying. So 4.75x is equal to 9.5 times 8. Don't do any multiplication as yet. We need to first solve for x, which means get x by itself. And the only way to do that would be by dividing both sides by 4.75. So what we have is x equals 9.5 times 8 divided by 4.75. Now we just have to simplify the right-hand side, and one way of doing that would be to get rid of the decimal numbers, and this can be done only by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 100. 100 moves the decimal point 2 places to the right, and we have 475 in the denominator. In the numerator, we need to multiply 9.5 with 10 to move it one decimal place value to the right. The 8 remains, but instead of 10, instead of 100, which is 10 times 10, one of the 10s has been used to move the decimal point to the right. We are only left with one more. So we need to just simplify this expression, and that would solve for x. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 9s are 45. A remainder of 2. Bring the 5 down. 5 5s are 25. Subtract and you get a 0. So 475 is 95 times 5. So we have 95 times 8 times 2 divided by 95 times 5. The 95 gets cancelled. We have 16 over 5, which is 5 times 3 is 15 and 1/5.